Having a look at a dashboard and seeing just the information that you need is the best way to view. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in HubSpot. So what you want to do is create a dashboard that will help you view everything that you'd like to view at one time. So you might be managing multiple clients or multiple projects at a time, or you may be managing just a specific department within your company or a project, and you want to just view the data that you want to view. Now on the left hand side, you'll see over here there are quite a few different options. Go and click on reporting. You'll see dashboards. Now once you click on dashboards, quite simply you'll be able to create a dashboard. Now there are some suggested templates. Now a marketing channel performance will allow you to view the marketing channel's performance, obviously website visits and engagement. You can see that there are tons of different dashboards. Now of course you can go ahead and you can use one of these templates. That's great. But if you'd like to create one that's specifically designed for you, you can go ahead and you can just give this a name, and here you can change the access. So you can limit it to super admins and owner only, which would be yourself. You could also allow everyone to view and edit. You could allow everyone to view, or you could assign teams and users. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to create the dashboard with these permissions. This is a sample account. So we've got our new dashboard, okay, and we're going to now go ahead and go to dashboards. Now, this is what it looks like. If you click on a space, okay, it says add any reports you want, tell a story with your data, and so forth. Great. Now, from here, you can see it says add content, and here, all you need to do is add either a report, an image, or text, or external content. Or you can just go ahead and create a report right here. So right now it's got reports opened, and you can see, for example, this is one of the reports. So all you have to do is click down, drag it over, boom, there you go, you got it. Now, if you'd like to add additional segments over here, you can say that this is here. You can go ahead and let's say we want to use an image or text, and we want to just say, let's just say title 1, and we want to just say body text. That's great. Let's go ahead, click on add, and here you'll see that this has now been added. You can also click down and you can move it around. If you use this one over here, you can move it about. You can also change the size, all right? So that's pretty cool. So you can really just sort of make it the way you want to make it. Here we can say external content, or we can create a report right now, and whatever it is that you want to add in here, you're literally going to go and you are going to click down and you're going to drag it over, and there it is. Again, you can change the sizing of it, and this is now auto saved. You can see over here the changes that are made are saved immediately, and there you go. You've now created a new dashboard for your own business, your own company, so that you can view the data in the way that you want to view it.